Almost got you. Hello, hello.
Got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Come. They're close. Let's kill them all.
That's a major score. Way to go.
You have a mic? No, you don't. Flashlight, he fired.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Control, he fired. We are doing this, but it's risky. They were too buddy.
Somebody want to put this rifle to use?
Two people here, two teams here. I don't know where are they now. Two people here, two teams here.
You've got a new mission ready.
Yeah, I saw two teams here.
Alright. You got a mill-grade laptop in your area.
Om.
Find it and download what you can. And once complete, extract the drive.
Gotcha. You're not helping me, Nessie. I need you.
I need support as marked.
I read you. Here it comes.
Let's do the mission.
AA.
They are sniping us. God damn it. Good job.
Stop it!
I'm sending in a drone. Hustle that data over to the extraction point.
Good job, down. I no longer see.
Make your way to that point!
Oh shit. Hello, Sahil. Welcome, brother. How are you, buddy? Yeah, they're gone. They're no longer here. They might be very close to me. Gotta be careful.
Assets secured. Keep it up.
Yo, do you want a tank? Come, I'll give you something.
Move to that location!
Oh shit, there's a tank. I got one. I got one. Help me. I need you, Nessie. Get one.
He's coming in fast. Watch your sector.
It doesn't help me.
Check your missions.
Doesn't help me, man. What's going on?
Reference grid, need immediate fire support.
We have more airstrikes now. Yes, one is here. How will Sahil have going? Oh, there's the airstrike. Come.
There's a Vic over here.
Come, Nessie, come.
Request immediate support fire.
On the way.
Get over to that waypoint. Have a shot.
One is on me.
I don't like the look of this.
And this guy doesn't help me. Oh shit. Go, 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 go. Wow, you didn't sold me.
Heads up. We got a danger point.
I need to go for my loadout. Come, 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 come.
Check your missions.
She's going to die.
No more do-overs. This is for keeps.
Gotcha. How many meters was that?
Let's rally on that
You got a
RC
target-rich
point.
environment. Stay alert. Help's on the way. Watch their back.
Seeing a custom weapon crate here. Get over to that waypoint. Contact, sniper. Reference waypoint, move there now.
Man, we could kill them easily. But my teammate doesn't play with me.
Hostile machine gun. Got a dangerous spot here.
Nessie, where have you gone? So far away from me. I can't help you if you die.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Got eyes on a sniper.
Man, this is crazy. This is crazy. Better than sniper. Smoke. Oh, someone just got. Get the high ground.
Mission
Kill
available.
them. Oh my goodness. Is it different team? I think it was different team. Yeah, it was different team.
Your side's been wiped out. Next time, step it up.
Good job, Nessie. Good job. Literally did not do anything all the match. Wow. Yeah, it was different team. Different team? Most probably different team. La 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 la.
We're closing in on the drop zone. Now we need to find out what's going on, so keep comms open. You're cleared hot, so engage anything that moves. All right, you're good to go for deployment. Post up.
Hello. Hello, hello.
Make your way to that point.
Went to kill the guy.
It's
He's
updated.
going to revive.
Review 'em when you can.
I killed one again. Last one. Oh man.
All right, you're good to go. Sending you back in.
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. I need all the intel you can get on the hostiles.
Let's go in the vehicle.
Secure as many beacons as you
Open
can.
vehicle.
The more your team has, the faster they'll calibrate. You've got the beacon. Now keep it slow. Moving
Go,
too
go,
fast
go.
breaks the calibration.
Oh, you don't have a gun? Come, take this.
That is a major score. Way to go.
I can't heal, man. Oh, you. I thought it was me. You need to heal.
That beacon yielded serious gains. Way to deliver.
Oh, go.
Body armor marked.
Alright, you got a mil-spec laptop nearby. Secure it, start the download, and pull the drive.
Get over to that waypoint.
Alright, here we go. Download started. Watch your 6 until the drive's ready.
Gaming laptop. Huh?
Alright, heads up. There's an exfil drone coming in. Take the data drive to the marked extraction point.
We're waiting.
Asset is secured. Keep it up.
Is this going to kill us? Maybe. Dang, look at this loot.
Marked an MG if you need one.
I love it. All right, let's do one more mission. Oh, there is no loadout. Never mind. Let's find people. That was good loot, huh? Someone has been here.
Got a danger spot here. Spot an enemy vehicle.
Only one or two?
Got a new mission ready. You're the last one standing. Making
Man, what is this timing? Come on, heal.
check your mission.
Run. Run. No, there's no time for this, I guess.
Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Rally on that location.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map. Alright, support request is in progress. You stay put while I zero in on your location.
Come on, man, I need you. Or I kill you.
Kick it up a notch. You've got a lot of targets out there. Friendly redeploying. Stay sharp.
How many bullets I have? I have 10 sniper bullets. This is not enough.
Extra PDW here.
I need more sniper ammo.
PD weapon marked.
Oh, nice.
Marking plate armor. Can you get support over here?
I read you. Here it comes.
Body armor marked.
I'm good. Get some ammo from box. Nice, we have ammo now.
a gear container right here. PDW spotted. You need it? Grab it.
Grab it, buddy.
Nice work. That's a major score. Way to go.
Oh, we have an age drop. We have age drop. Come.
Locator beacons are marked. Now listen up. The more
Let's
your
pick
team
your age
grabs,
drop.
the quicker they calibrate.
That area doesn't look good. Request fire mission. Over.
Roger that. Stand
Got
by.
enemy in sight. I got enemy in sight. Bad feeling about that.
Reloading!
I killed one completely, but there's still one more person. Let's kill them all. Come. Only one left. I don't know where he is. Here.
Reposition. Move now.
Right in the
All dead.
Enemy is gunning for you. Watch yourself.
Oh, they're coming for us. All right, come. Come. Come and get it. They will not come. They are so far away. Hello guys, welcome to my stream. Please don't forget to like the stream. Thank you. Thumbs up.
Mission complete. Keep punching hard out there.
Come.
You're in the clear.
I don't need anything.
Listen up. Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Come.
MD
Here.
available over here.
You may like it.
I don't have any more missions for you, but that doesn't mean it's safe out there. Keep your guard up.
Found an open bit.
Let's kill them all. We're gonna stay on the bridge for a while, okay? Let's see what's happening around us.
Got enemy in sight.
Low.
That area doesn't look good.
Campers.
supply sighted. Fucking support. Take this fire.
Watch it behind.
Contact! Enemy infantry! Got a
Very low,
bad feeling about
very low.
that.
The guy behind is very low.
Got enemy in sight.
KIA is piling up. Keep taking it to them.
That
More
area
teams are
doesn't
there.
look good.
More teams.
Enemy contact in my AO. Got a bad feeling about that.
We will need more. We will need more ammo.
Found some supplies.
Contact. Enemy vehicle located. It's dangerous here. Use caution. Enemy vehicle!
Oh, how I missed. What is... Oh my god, so much damage. Taking a shot. They died. I think they were getting shot from this side. Right side. Get ready.
Only a few left. Stay sharp.
I won. You got destroyed. Can we go on top of this building? Bye. Oh, resin.
Heads up. We got a danger point. Got a danger spot here.
Om.
Aye!
The other side. Bro.
Give it to them.
Down.
2 teams remain. Be the last one standing.
I think I saw someone here. The other side.
Extra sniper rifle here. Doesn't look good.
No? Okay, we need to get the high ground. Fast.
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
Where are you, buddy? Oh, me, here. Right here. Oh my god. Can you res me? Above you. Oh no. Yeah, you're right there. Oh man, I fell off. So unlucky. Hoş geldin Tobert'cim.
Your side's been wiped out. But don't get
He had a
hung
good
up on
spot, huh? Holy shit. He had a good spot. He had crazy spots, man. And so bad luck, I fell off the top of the roof. My intention wasn't to go there, and he was right there. Oh my god, that was so unlucky, man. Right, no worries. It was a good game. Ba-dum. Hello. Yo, what up, Shepa? Welcome. Yeah, it was good match, but we died so bad. We could, I mean, if my teammate res me, maybe we would have a chance to win the game. Probably he also fell off the jump down and lost his advantage. No worries, no worries. We have one more chance. We lost that one. We will win this one. Oh yeah. Game looks good. Well, game looks good, but sometimes crashes. Don't like. Hopefully, it will not crash while we are playing. Go, go, go!
Moving on the target area. Make sure you drop them all. Get ready to jump.
You jump, brother.
Deployment. Give him hell.
You are the jump master. Let's go. Oh, he disconnected from the game. So bad.
Break off and deploy!
Team here.
Contact! Enemy infantry engaging! Got a bad feeling about that.
Nice, nice. We have good stuff.
That is a major score. Way to go.
I need eyes on my position.
Roger. On the way.
Ooh. He's good. Oh, they are two. Oh, fuck. This is not good. Why did you go to the roof, man? Why did you go there?
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in. Alright. You got a mill-grade laptop in your area. Find it and download what you can. And once complete, extract the drive.
Oh, there's a fight here. Wind weapon. Wind armor. Oh, this sucks. This is so bad. Hopefully it will no longer crash. Let's see how long it's going to take without crashing. Are you still seeing my screen like stuck? Oh, I'm alone again.
Easy approaching. Your priority is to secure intel, take out hostiles, and complete all missions thrown at you. Don't drag your ass. Stand by to jump.
Don't drag your ass.
Alright, you're good to go for deployment. Post up.
Need to go to the house.
Reposition. Move now.
He's not going to pick until his teammate is back.
Good work. Keep digging out there and secure everything you can find. Heads up. Mission updates just came in.
Oh, come on. There were two.
Square yourself away. You're headed back in. Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area. Heads up. There's a stockpile in the target area. Would you locate some bolt cutters to breach the
area
weapons
doesn't
cache
look good.
and then secure it before the enemy has the chance?
What happened here? Why are you crashing this much? Oh. What the heck? Probably only Battle Royale crashes. We can try other game modes. So this game mode never crashed for me. Let's see again. Hola, hola. ¿Qué tal?
Get in there and grind it out. We won't have time for detailed briefs. Orders will come in hot. Grab any data drives you can find and get them to the extract points. Watch your backs. You're not the only ones looking for them.
Come on, come on, come on. Work this time. Voy, 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 voy. No mueras.
Look at me. You
No
get
mueras.
Cover me. This doesn't look good. Frag out.
Follow me, follow me, follow me. Full team, careful. Oh my god.
Bound over to that location. Let's rally on that RV point. Move.
That enemy KIA had data drives. Pick them up. Hey, you're falling behind.
Come on, man. Stop sniping there. We need to go for drives,
Marking
guys.
mission objective.
Tienes misiones.
Got a mission objective over there. Let's move.
Way to track that intel down. Get it to the extraction point ASAP.
Frag out!
No, I had so many missions, man.
If you want to win, you'll have to step it up. Good work on that delivery. Keep the drives coming and stay on mission.
All right.
Reloading. Cover my six.
No, no, no. Buena, buena, buena.
Solid execution. Now get ready to roll. No rest for the wicked. You ground that out. Impressive. This intel is gonna go a long way. and grab any Vic they have.
Got a vehicle transport over here. Charge set! Stand by! Make your way to that point! Got a dangerous spot here. That area doesn't look good. Got a bad feeling about that. Contact! Hostile troops sighted. Got eyes on enemy tank.
Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed.
Reloading! Hostile AT. Feels dangerous here. Use caution. Got a vehicle transport over here. Got eyes on enemy tank. Ooh. Heads up. We got a danger point.
Oh, yes. Defense. Run!
Contract mission complete, but you can still turn this around.
Come on, he's right here, man. I could almost kill him. ¿Me puedes revivir, Atlantica? Estoy bien aquí. Come, come, come.
I need a fucking medic! I'm hit. I'm hit.
Está muy cerca, eh. Bye-bye.
Clock's ticking. You better focus if you want to stay on mission.
Go, go, go!
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
Oh, we couldn't make it.
That's it. Your squad's had it.
GG's.
Autogiro pres.
Ay, ay, ay. Hello, hello.
You have to be in this for the long haul. Gear up and stand by for next steps. Your job here is to intercept and decrypt as many beacons as you can. Any intel you pull will help us understand what we're dealing with.
Go, go, go!
Go, go, go!
Go, go, go.
Got a mission objective over there. Let's move.
Keep the unit safe until I get a signal on this side.
Come on, guys, wake up.
Marking mission objective.
Come take this one as well.
Let's rally on that RP
We have two
point.
objectives. Guys, help me. There's
Move.
someone
That
here.
area doesn't look good.
Look,
Got enemy
10
in
meters
sight.
away.
That's
You missed. And what is my teammates doing?
Stay on mission and track down the next one.
We are cooking. We are cooking. Nice.
Keep that beacon safe until I get things synced on this end.
All right,
Got
that was
tactical
my bad.
advantage. Not far to go now.
Okay, I got sandwiched.
Objective marked.
Keep it safe until I get things synced on this end.
Come on, guys, we do more weekends.
That's good work. Now stay on mission and track down the next one. Time is running out. Let's get this mission done. Stay alert. Don't let that thing fall into enemy hands.
Oh my god, imagine that.
Need hands on the next one.
Imagine that.
All right. That was a bang-up job. Get prepped for a new mission.
Are you guys do something? Holy moly, 0 points? All of them.
Good work. The intel gained from those beacons
One shot, man. Come on, help me. One shot on me. Here. Shoot this guy. Solo. And do something, idiots. These guys are AFK.
Seal up. Gas is active.
Doesn't matter, we are going for all the objectives.
Data drives are up for grabs. Secure them so I can pull them out.
Res. Never mind.
Mask up. No room for error. Listen up. Contract can be mission complete, but you can still turn this around.
Cover shot!
Come on.
Got sight on objective.
I really suck with this weapon. I think I need the better laser. Not really good.
Time is running out on
Come on, Murat, come on.
position. Pick up the pace.
Gonna lose. bit.
Wasn't in the cards this time.
Ah, these randoms are so bad. Da dun da dun da dun da. Da dun da dun da. Win level, 10 level.
Listen, get in there and grind it out. We won't have time for detailed briefs. Orders will come in hot. Key zones need to be captured. Hold your ground as long as possible.
All right. Go, 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 soldiers.
Mission objective marked. Marking mission objective.
Follow me. We'll need your help.
that ground.
Someone's here.
Looks suspicious. Watch yourself.
Help me.
That's it. Keep those hostiles off that objective.
Good job.
Keep at it. Do not let up.
Got them.
You captured another strategic zone.
Fire.
What was my aim? Go, bro, go. Tank.
Reloading! There's a Vic over here!
One is very low. This guy is very low. In front of you.
Teammate is locking down a critical location. Keep an eye on it.
Explosive ready. Charge laid!
Keep at it. Do not let up. Good. You captured another strategic zone.
Hey, got a ride over here.
Stay focused and don't let up. You're almost mission complete. That area looks back to me. All right, come on. Hold that ground.
Sighted! Spotted enemy vehicle!
Hey, look at me.
Thank you, buddy.
Stay with me.
Hold that ground.
Watch your depth!
Pink. Oh, there were two, man. I killed one. Guys, other guys, we need you, man. He also died.
Mark your mission objective. Key area is nearly secured. Make sure to hold on to it.
Got any? Started open Vic. Cover me! That area doesn't look good.
Kicking ass and taking names. You're almost there. Hold to that objective.
I'm coming, don't die.
Heads up. Shooter on your team is securing a zone.
Good job.
That worked out, but don't get comfortable. Another mission's coming in hot. You pushed back the enemy and secured key locations. Take the win. There are IFV nearby you can use. Problem is, hostiles have the same idea. Don't let them get one.
Explosive ready. Reference waypoint. Move there now. Combat vehicle trailer marked. Reposition. Move now.
I'm healing you. Don't go fast, don't go fast, don't go fast. Okay. We tried. All right. We'll go back to here to get the tank.
Lost the vehicle. Track down a new one. Hey, you're falling behind.
Contact! Enemy tank! Charge set! Stand by!
Why am I getting pushed by 5 teams, man? man. Where did you come from?
Fuck! I'm hit. Medic!
Hey, your squad's combat effective. How long to go now?
Finish him.
Close it out.
Wow, he was camping here on my beacon, man.
Explosive set!
I can heal you, come.
Have a shot!
Good job.
Good work. Now keep it up. You're not done yet.
Ah,
Now stay on top of them to hold the advantage.
what is this game mode?
Okay, don't overcomplicate it. Your job is to take out enemy squads. You fail, and you're out.
Sure, we got this.
I don't like the look of this.
Follow me, follow me, follow me. Oh, wait. What was that?
I don't like the look of this. Cover me! Come along! Cover! Got a danger spot here.
On second floor.
Feels dangerous
Here.
here. Use caution.
coming for you.
You've got tactical advantage. Not far to go now.
I'm resable. Not resable. Oh, we lost?
Alright, that was a bang-up job. Get prepped for a new mission.
This guy did better than me, and he is PC player. Look at the console players and PC players. Huge difference.
You have to be in this for the long haul. Now gear up and stand by for next steps. Do whatever it takes to retrieve data drives and get them to the exfil point. That intel is critical.
Got a mission objective over there. Let's move. Got sight on objective. I don't like the look of this.
Good work on that delivery. Keep the drives coming and stay on mission. Data drives are up for grabs. Secure them so I can pull them out.
Contact! Enemy helicopter! That area doesn't look good.
Bye, man.
Contact! Enemy infantry!
Man. Good job.
Don't let up. You're almost mission complete.
Reloading!
Oh my goodness, ammo finished. So bad.
Make your way to that point! Explosive set. Reference waypoint. Move there now. Objective marked. Frag out!
Oh, tired of this game.
Medic!
Hey, your squad's combat.
Can you res me? Can you res me? I'm behind you. Right behind you. Eastern, Eastern.
I'm hit! Medic! Oh, medic!
Why are you so slow?
Fuck! I'm hit. Medic!
Solo experience playing this game is terrible. No, there's no time. My drives.
All right, heads up. You got reinforcements inbound. You ground that out. Impressive. This intel is gonna go a long way. Mission depends on eliminating the high-value target. It won't be easy, but it's critical.
Hey! Got a ride over here!
You got another high-value target inbound.
Looks suspicious. Watch yourself. Doesn't look good.
Key enemy shooter in your area. Drop them.
Contact! Got it.
Guys, kidding, no? You can res me if you want.
I got you!
Thank you.
Hey, thanks! I don't like the look of this. Run!
Another high-value target inbound. Dump them. The enemy's gunning for your teammate. Watch their six.
Oh, okay.
Stay focused and don't let up. You're almost mission complete.
Reloading! Cover my stick! Take cover! Get cover!
Come along!
Artem, can you res me? I'm tempted. Oh, sorry, he's here. Only one guy? Only one guy?
Hey, make him pay for that.
Oh, there are two. What's going on?
Track him down. Heads up. Someone on your squad's got a target on their back. Keep kicking ass and taking names. You're almost there. Friendly down. Rally up and take it to him. You got another high high-value target inbound. Dump them.
How I died this fast? Bro, they were low.
You've shown you've got what it takes to stay in this. Now prep for the next mission. There you go. Another mission down. Way to deliver. Explosives are in play. Use them to destroy enemy milcoms and be ready to...
This game mode is very hard.
Now move fast. This is gonna get messy. Fuse is live. Now plant the explosive at the target ASAP.
You're gonna be all right.
Charge set. Fuse is burning. Lock down the area and stop any traffic.
Can you help?
Took out another enemy milcom. That's gonna hurt them.
Mission objective marked.
Mission objective marked.
Need med supplies.
This is hot. Now defend the area until it blows.
Very low, very low, very low. Only one guy.
One of their incoms is down. That's what I like to see.
Got sight on objective.
Stay focused and don't let up. You're almost mission complete. hostiles from reaching it before it blows. One more enemy calms down. Keep at it.
All right.
Frag out!
Your squad's combat effective. Not long to go now. Take these and close it out.
I'm hit.
Oh my god. All right, GG's. We lost. Useless teammates.
That's not gonna cut it. Step it up for the next stop.
What up? What up? Green, you better turn off your mic, bro. What was that?
Alright, listen up. Explosives are in play. Use them to destroy enemy milcoms and be ready to defuse their charges. And move fast. This'll get messy.
Okay, we were late. We were too late.
Fuse is live. Hustle up and plant that charge. Charge set. Fuse is burning. Lock down the area and stop any threats.
Need your help. Come to number 3. I'll go for another bomb, okay? Stay here.
Took out another enemy milcom. That's gonna hurt them.
Fuck, man. There's one guy on the left side. And one is here. On the bomb. Right here. Here, on my ping. Man, behind the green! I'm pinging you, man.
Marking mission objective. Mission objective marked.
Hostile IED close. Be alert.
Got a mission objective over there. Let's move.
Green, don't move. I'm coming to you. Gotcha.
More enemy calm down. Keep at it.
Let's kill this guys. Come. Come. Who killed you, man?
Go now. Dig deep and close it out.
Fuck, there are so many rats.
Bomb's out of commission. Nice work. You've got reinforcements incoming. Time to dial it up.
Good job, man.
That's how you take care of business. Don't let up.
Get up.
All right, listen up. Hostile forces have gotten access to armored vehicles. Take them out and try to grab any Vic they have.
Explosive set! Contact. Enemy tank. Look suspicious. Watch yourself. Ivy on that position. I don't like the look of this.
Coming for you.
Hold on.
One time, man. Come, Green. I'm gonna heal you. Come. Man, this guy doesn't even understand.
Got a vehicle transport over here.
You're so dirty. Oh, nice shot, man. We would died.
Redirect fire!
Stay focused and don't let
I got you.
Man, what is happening? Stop it, campers.
Contact. Enemy tank. Heads up. We got a danger point. What's in there?
We did it!
I don't like the look of this. Combat.
Time to complete that mission is running out. Pick up the pace.
Behind.
Move to that location. Charge lane.
Okay.
Heads up. You got support inbound.
This game would never crashes, but Battle Royale is crashing. It's so annoying.
Stay at it. You need to keep those Vics out of enemy hands. Listen up. There's a lot riding on this. Get in there and connect the terminals to hack in. Gather as much data as possible. Connections are stacking up for your squad.
Take what you can carry.
Someone knocked one of our terminals out of commission. Hostiles took over one of the terminals.
Gas racing!
Hostiles took over one of the terminals.
Take what you can carry. Got sight on objective. Cover short! Danger sighted.
Connection dropped. Get on it. You've got tactical advantage. Not far to go now.
Grab what you can. Man down! Man down!
Connection dropped. Get on it.
Take what you can carry.
Terminal offline. Hostiles tampered with our connection.
Wake up, man.
Take what you can carry.
Hey, your squad's combat effective. How long to go now? Dig deep. Close it out.
Come on.
Someone knocked one of our terminals out of commission.
Bring out!
Hostiles took over one of the terminals. That worked out, but don't get comfortable. Another mission's coming in hot.
This guy did good, huh?
Way
40
to deliver.
points.
We're one step closer to narrowing down who these PMCs are. Rally your team and move fast. Enemy has their hands on intel, and it's on you to retrieve it. Drop anyone who gets in your way. Cash in enemy hands. See that it
Okay.
doesn't stay that way. Now's your chance. Enemy dropped the cash. Keep him off of it. Cash in enemy hands. See that it doesn't stay that way. Enemy cash secured. Cover the move. Enemy cash is down. You'll have to move fast to secure it.
Shit. I threw it.
The enemy stole your cash. You need to take it back. Enemy dropped the cash. Keep it out of their hands. Another squad has what we need. Do what you have to get it back. Someone else secured our cash. Get your head back in this.
Go, go, go.
Hustle it in. Watch your six. The enemy stole your cash. You need to take it back. Outstanding work. Cash secured.
Gotcha, bitch.
Now's your chance. Enemy dropped the cash. Keep him off of it.
Danger point.
Don't let up. You're almost mission complete.
Come on, man.
This doesn't stay that way. Someone else secured our cash. Get your head back in this.
Stop it! Objective marked.
Another squad has what we need. Do what you have to get it back. Enemy cash secured. Cover the move. Enemy cash is down. You'll have to move fast to secure it. Enemy dropped the cash. Keep them off it.
Killed two of them, but
Enemy cash secured. Cover the move.
I'm out.
Another squad has what we need. Do what you have to get it back. ticking. You better focus if you want to stay on mission. Hustle it in. Watch your six.
Reloading!
Did we win? How did we lose this, man? Come on.
Stop.
Telefonum çok ısınmış lan.
Rüzgar kırdı. Hello, hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, boss. Where are you from?
Act fast, act
I'm
smart,
from Apex Legends.
to win. Mission briefs incoming.
Apex Legends?
Yes,
Come on, man. Where are you from originally? Come on. Don't fuck me.
Mission is to defuse
I'm from
You
Kings
cannot fuck with
Canyon.
me.
after their milcoms.
Canyon?
And timers are running.
Kings Canyon.
ASAP.
Kings Canyon?
Yes.
What's that, bro? You cannot fuck with me. That's not who I am, you know? Beni sus ya. Bu beton yanına harbi geri zekalı.
Explosive is live. Place it and get clear.
Go, go, go.
Marked.
Go where?
Objective. To Hamid. Come to Hamid Kehemer.
Okay. Chill.
Clear out.
Oh,
Hostiles
fuck.
reaching it before it blows.
I need backup. Somebody help me. Come on. Duyuyor.
Hostile IED just got dropped. Look out. One more enemy calm down. Keep at it.
Was someone else here? Did you kill him? Oh, ¿le has matado?
Dur. Şu an gelemem. Şu an gelemem oğlum biz be... Ha.
You're making them pay. Keep targeting enemy comms. Your squad's got the advantage. Keep pushing.
Go for the next one.
Got a mission objective over there. Let's move.
This hot. Now defend the area until it blows. Took out another enemy milcom. That's gonna hurt them. Excellent work. Way to disarm that IED.
That was stupid. Kill this guy.
Enemy inside.
Hey, your squad's combat effective. Not long to go now. Dig deep and close it out.
Give it to me. On the roof, man.
All right, heads up. You've got
Good job.
reinforcements inbound. Way to take the fight to them. But remember, you're not done yet. Listen up. There are vehicles nearby you can use. Problem is, hostiles have the same idea. Don't let them get one.
Go, go, go.
Gov diyeceğine oyunu oyna, oyunu oyna Gov diyeceğine.
Shut the fuck up, dude. What the fuck are you saying?
Senin ananın amını sikerim,
Shut up.
orospu çocuğu.
Bitch.
Fuck you motherfucker man. Orospu çocuğu, fuck you motherfucker.
Let's fucking mute this bitch.
You mom.
Fucking idiot, man. Pollos, ¿hablas español? Pollos. ¿Hablas castellano? Buena, buena, buena.
There's a Vic over here.
He's one shot on me. Hamid.
Your squad's got the advantage. Keep pushing.
Enemy AT.
Move to that location.
Where are these tanks? I'm at pink tank, pink.
Position! Move now!
Sorry, bitch.
Bound over to that location. Contact! Enemy infantry!
Your squad combat effective. How long to go now?
No, it's one shot.
Close it out.
Pollos, no mueras.
We get things done
Espérame.
here.
Frag out!
Qué cabrón.
Good work. Now keep it up. You're not done yet.
Buena, buena, pollo.
Need to keep those Vics out of enemy hands. Grab any data drives you can find and get them to the extract points. Now watch your backs. You're not the only ones looking for them. Your squad never lets up. That's what I like to see.
Don't die, man.
The drives are coming out. Head back in and track down more.
Come on, come on, come on. Move your ass.
Good work on that delivery. Keep the drives coming and stay on mission.
Espera, 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 pollo.
The drives are coming out. Head back in and track down more.
Bueno, le pusimos, ¿no? Hemos entregado la...
Stay focused and don't let up. You're almost mission complete.
Don't come, Amit. Wait.
Move to that location!
We are cooking.
Another good extract. You still have a ways to go.
Idiots,
Stay
you
on
are
task.
losing.
All right. That was a bang-up job. Get prepped for
Buena, buena. Good job, friends. ¿A dónde vamos o no? ¿A dónde?
solid work. Keep
Que
'em
marchar.
coming to help me figure out who those PMCs are. Secure those terminals. We need to figure out what the hell's been going on in here. One of your team set up a new connection. Don't let it drop. Terminal offline. Hostiles tampered with our connection.
Okay. Don't snipe. Marca, marca, ¿dónde está?
Someone knocked one of our terminals out of commission.
We are winning this. Easy.
The enemy just captured a terminal. Step up your game. You've got tactical advantage. Not far to go now.
One shot, one shot, one shot, one shot. Un tiro, un tiro, un tiro. Right here. Run away.
Hey, you look at me, you stay with me.
Connection dropped.
Good
Get on.
job. This is so bad, man. No ammo.
Hey, clock's ticking. You better focus if you want to stay on mission. Hostiles took over one of the terminals.
Oh my goodness.
Terminal offline. Hostiles lost connection.
¡Mátale, mátale! Buena, buena, buena.
Wasn't in the cards this time.
How did we
You'll
lose?
have to go again.
¿Cómo perdimos? How did we lose this game? Increíble.